Hi, I'm Dan Renicky with Unknown Media, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a scratch on a camera lens. Now this is a very tricky process and will require patience. It could also be a case where you won't even be able to fix the scratch if it's too far gone. There are several different methods to achieve this, but one that I found that I like the best is by using rubbing alcohol. You're going to want to use a mixture of 20 parts water to 1 part alcohol. Take a microfiber cloth and dip it into the solution. Use a gentle motion rubbing the cloth into the scratch. You should then see the scratch begin to disappear. Once the scratch is gone, take another microfiber cloth and buff the whole lens. I'm Dan Renicky, and that is how you fix a scratch on a lens. Take your best shot.